It's April 2026, and this is a room tour of room 4579 of Jambo House in the Animal Kingdom Lodge in Florida. And we'll enter the room here. This is a connecting room, so just be advised of that. Sometimes you don't want those for noise purposes. We'll see how quiet or not this is. On the left here, we do have a large closet with lots of storage space and also a nice size safe, hold a laptop and that type of thing. The room itself has very good theming for African style decorations. Actually, I think many of them are genuine artifacts and decorations. And then sweeping around here, and I'll take you outside to show you the view from our balcony. And this room is on what's called the Zebra Trail, this is a very nice side of the building to be on. You get to see quite a bit of wildlife. We saw a zebra and giraffe out here a little bit ago, and then we have some antelope type of creatures out there. The balcony itself has a nice railing, and then also two seats and a little cocktail table there as well too. Looking back in the room, nice large size king size bed, bedside lamps, and also they have this is basically smart device like Amazon Alexa basically, which you can use or not use depending on what you want to do. Reading lamps beside the bed there, and air conditioning, which is very much appreciated in the Florida heat. And I'll also give you a quick tour of the bathroom. One of the things that Disney does, which is very nice, is they have a separate area for the sinks from the toilet and the shower, so you can block this off. So if somebody's using the shower or the toilet, somebody else can still use the sinks. So yes, highly recommend. It looks very comfortable, and we are looking forward to our time in Walt Disney World in Florida. Again, April 2026.